Everything he does is above the best. Won't change now, never will. He still lives in a time past long ago, about 1958, when the world was good and men were, and we're proud of what they made. This man that I am speaking of still works hard every day, and he probably always will, even when he's old and gray. His craft is healing real old cars, making them just like brand new. They take him back to a better time and place when he still had his youth. They say, buddy, here you're dreaming, you're living in the past, but in a shop out of town on Route 15, he ain't never coming back. You know the people in the town, some of them think he's strange, the way he still lives by the code, as if he still owned the range. He still thinks a man should earn his keep, help his brother along the way, like they did in a world past long ago in 1958. I'm sure you all know a buddy somewhere in your life's past who gave you hope and inspiration, told you never finish last. He said, remember, if they beat you and make them earn first place, hold your head up high, throw your shoulders back, and be proud to show your face. They say, buddy, here you're dreaming, 'cause things have changed today. But in a shop out of town on Route 15, that's the way it's gonna stay. Don't we all wanna go back with Buddy to 1958?